Good day, my name is Ibrahim Ridwan. I'm a construction carpentry engineering instructor at Universal Indirect Academia, ULDA. This is Tools of Trade. The cordless impact drill it runs on battery. What makes it so special is you could attach a couple of accessories to it. You could attach the screwing bit, the drilling bit, and the boring bit. So it makes attaching them to this makes it screw faster, it makes the work neater, and it makes the work easier, no stress. Alternative hand tools artisans use are: for screwing they use a common screwdriver, for drilling they use the manual hand drill, and for boring they could use the chisel and some hand borers. I will now go and demonstrate the use of the cordless impact drill. As I have just demonstrated, the cordless impact drill made my job very fast compared to the screwdriver, made it very easy and less stressful, and it made my job very neat. And as you will agree, I look way more professional with this.
Would you be interested in learning how to use any one of these power tools, or you'd be interested in learning the construction trade? Then Universal Indirect Academia ULDA is the place to be. We take courses in construction carpentry, in domestic electrical and solar installation, in masonry, in steel works, in domestic plumbing, and in site supervision and management. Also, do you need seasoned hands at building your house or performing a particular construction job for you? You can also contact us at Universal Indirect Academia. The contact details, you'll find it down there on your screen.